What if I told you there was a way to save $40,000 tax-free for your first home and you do not have to pay it back? If you're thinking about buying a house in Ontario, then the first home savings account may be one of the best tools that you're likely not using. In this video, I'm going to go over the 10 most common questions asked about this account, who can qualify for it, how to strategically use it, even if you're not planning on buying this year, if you're planning on buying several years down the road. So first of all, what is a first home savings account? Well, it's a new registered account by the government. And what it allows you to do is you can contribute money into that account, tax deductible, just like you can with your RRSP. And when you pull that money out to buy your first home, it's also tax free, just like a TFSA. The great thing with this account is that there's no repayment period. Like with an RRSP, you have to recontribute that money back in over a period of time. Here, you can take it out and you never have to pay the taxes. So who qualifies for this? Well, first of all, you have to be a Canadian, you have to be 18 years or older, and you have to be a first-time home buyer or not have owned a home for at least a 4-year period, and that would include your spouse as well. So how much are you allowed to contribute? Well, each year you can contribute up to $8,000, up to a maximum lifetime span of $40,000. Now, if you don't contribute the full amount 1 year, that additional amount you can carry forward. So you can contribute the 8,000 plus the amount that you didn't contribute the year before to a maximum of 16,000. Now, if you're a couple that's looking to buy a house together, you can each utilize this account. So you can save up to $80,000 combined tax-free and use that as your down payment for your first house. So what can you invest this money in your FHSA account? Well, you can invest in basically anything you can in a TFSA or RRSP. So that could be GICs, bonds, ETFs, stocks, etc. I would talk to a financial advisor and have them help you decide on what is the best thing for you to invest in based off of your time horizon. Are there any tax implications for your FHSA? No, absolutely not. You don't pay any tax on the money that you put in. So it's actually tax deductible. So you can use it as a write off towards your income for that year. And then when you pull the money out, it's tax free. Not to mention, if you invest the money while it's in your account, you don't pay anything on that capital gain. So if you invest the money over a 10-year period and that money grows by 50%, that 50% growth is tax free. So what counts as a qualifying home? Well, the home has to be located in Canada and it has to be a home that you're going to utilize as your primary residence within 12 months of purchasing it. And you have to close on the home by October 1st, the following year after you withdraw the funds. So what happens if you don't actually end up buying a house? Well, it's okay. You can actually take the money and you can just transfer it to your RRSP. Or if you decide to pull it out, that's fine too, but you will pay tax on the money when you pull it out, just like as if you're pulling money out of your RRSP. Are you allowed to take gifted money for your FHSA account? Yes, absolutely. You can, but you have to remember that it has to still stay within your contribution limit. So you can't exceed that $8,000 per year. If you over contribute to your account, then you actually pay a 1% per month penalty. What's the best strategy to use for your first house savings account? Well, first of all, you want to start it as soon as possible. Even if you're just investing $1, you're starting the contribution clock. You also want to invest your money in it. Don't just leave your cash sitting there not growing. You also want to combine it with your RRSP to be able to maximize the amount of tax-free money that you can use for your down payment on your purchase. If you're not sure when you're going to buy, then make sure you're investing in safe investments where you can pull your money out at any point. And make sure you start it earlier. Don't wait until you're ready to buy a house to open the account. The longer you have it, the more you can contribute and the more you can benefit from it. If you're planning on buying your first house in Guelph or anywhere in Ontario, this account can help save you thousands of dollars. If you want any help planning your down payment strategy, please reach out to us at GoWylde Real Estate.